May profits be upon you. Let's take a look at gold for the upcoming week. On the daily, what do we see? We see price has made a big old upswing, right? Let me get this tool. Thank you. All right. We see that price made a big old upswing here. And then we corrected down, dithered here a little bit. All right. Had a nice little breakout. And then a sweep of the lows. All right. Sweep of the highs, sweep of the lows. That's the way they like to do it, those market makers, those dastardly dudes. Okay, so here we are at this zone of demand. All right, and price is reacting to it right now. Okay, now I want you to pay close attention to what I'm about to show you. Okay, you see this dotted line here at the 1880 line? I noticed this. We have a touch here for support. All right, come down into the zone area here for a touch here, a touch here, a touch here. All of that is support, right? But when we're below it, we get resistance, resistance. We got price playing over here, you know, support. And, you know, we see the wait for resistance, right? Look at the touches through here. If we go to the weekly, we can see that continues over here as resistance. I mean, what is it about this that level? Well, I'll tell you. I think it's magic. Actually, I think it requires us to take a good look at this zone. All right, because when price came back to this daily zone of demand, which was mitigated already once, now we have a slightly deeper penetration in there, but we haven't reached the 50% of this daily demand zone yet. All right, and once price breaks that, then we know that the next hit or two is probably going to take out the low of that zone. All right, we haven't gotten there yet. All right, we had a nice reaction here. The last time price was here, we had a big reaction. You see that, right? Big swing up. Okay, this time not as much, but are we done? Ha ha, ha ha. Aha. All right, so what I want you to look at is what has happened. Impulse, one impulsive leg, a pullback, a new low, right? And we break that swing low and we make a new low, all right? Then we break that swing, that pullback high, right? We'll break that structure to the upside. As soon as we get this close here, that means on this time frame, the 4-hour, we are bullish. Down, lower low, lower high, lower low. As soon as we break the top here of this trading range from here to here, we turn bullish. It's that simple. All right. Now, what does this mean? All right, if we break structure here, what really happened was we had a zone of supply here. We had a zone of supply here that was busted. All right. And that gives us license to look for longs. Why? Demand is in control. Demand has taken control of supply. This is supply. All right. Supply here, this supply zone failed. We're going to a higher zone. All right, look how deep we penetrated into this zone, past the 50% mark. I believe if price comes back up here, it'll take this whole zone out, take out that high for this liquidity. We'll be on our way up. All right. After every break of structure, you expect a return to what? A return to impulse. And here is where we take our trade. At least this is where we'll look for it, here and here. Why do I have two POIs? Because, man, let me show you. Let me get it here. All right. We mark this zone as this is a decisional zone of demand. All right. This is the origin of the impulse. All right. You see the volume came in here. This is how you see it. This is why you see all that momentum, you know, shooting up with these candles. But this is the origin. All right. Now, sometimes this zone, the decisional, will bounce price back up and it won't reach the origin. Oftentimes it's the origin. So we'll watch both zones. It's no problem. All right. And what are we looking for? The exact same thing we just caught. A low being made, a pullback, a lower low, an impulse that breaks that pullback high, and a return to impulse, and then up. This will be your entry right here. A little bit off. I don't know why I gotta go through this. Come on, man. Really? All right, we'll do it this way then. Have it your way, doggone it. There you go. All right, that'll be your entry. Same thing here. Can you see it? I need you to see it. I can't be the only one that sees it. All right. Low, pullback, lower low, breaking that low, impulse high, breaking the swing point. All right. Breaking that pullback high here. Return to impulse. Either here or here. At the origin or at the decisional. It's that simple. I hope you can see that. All right. And this pattern, this reversal pattern, we're looking for that here or here. If it gets through this one, then we'll look for it here. There's good reason to come to either or. All right. Because they both led to the break of this swing point, this lower high. This is a structural point, man, and that's important. Okay, so we have our zones that we're going to look for, and we're going to put little arrows on it, ram, and get out of here. Get out of here. And come on, man. What is that? And bam. All right. Move this out of the way now. Okay. So that's what I got on gold. I'm looking forward to go back up. All right. I'm looking for that break of structures to have a return to impulse following it. We have some momentum coming in to this zone. So we'll watch it carefully. All right. We're not going to just jump into a trade. All right. We're going to take our time with this thing. All right. And only if this zone doesn't hold, then we'll take this one. Everybody got it? Everybody got the plan? Seems pretty simple. Now, if it should, we don't get our bounce here. All right. And I'm looking for that bounce. I'm looking for that reversal pattern on the 15-minute. All right. I'm looking for the 15-minute or 5-minute, 1-minute entries. But the 15-minute is going to give me what I need. I need to see a change of character here or change of character here. All right. So That's it. I will see you in the next video. Hey, hit that like button for me. Hit that thumbs up, man. All right. I appreciate that. Just show me your appreciation by hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel so that you can catch all of my updates. Do make sure you hit the bell icon for the notifications so you can get the updates as soon as I put them out, right? And do make a comment. Leave a comment, man. Leave me a comment if you have a differing opinion or if you like the analysis, all right? Or if you have a request of a market that you want analyzed, okay? I will see you in the next video. Hey, check out the video up on your screen right now. The one to the left is also giving you a forecast for the upcoming week, just like this one. I'll see you.